Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. My name is Nur Shazana Batrisha binti Muhammad Sain. I'm 12 years old and I'm from SK Pulau Manis, Pekan Pahang. I love reading so much because I get tons of new knowledge and significant information. I want to be a teacher when I grow up. Sometimes I love share what I read with my friend. Today, I would like to share my favorite book with all of you. This book I get from my school library. The title of the book I read recently is Bertie the Bee from the Diaries of Robin Toys. It was written by Ken and Angie and published by Sweet and Cherry Publishing Limited in 2013. The book comes with 96 pages. This book is very interesting and has moral values in it. This book about Robin, a boy that loves anything that flew, especially aeroplanes and things that swim. One day, during the summer's day, Robin's grandfather, who had a power to spell, brought Robin to car book sale. The car book sale was very crowded with people. They stopped by to Jerry the junk store, where sell a lot of house clear case. From the Jerry store, Robin sought through the cuddly toy and the dolls, but he wasn't interested. And suddenly, Robin saw a big toy bee. It had black and yellow strips, huge eyes and fat body. Its wings were made of lobes of wire and it had a big smile on its little face. Jerry gave the name to the bee and it's called Bertie. Robin brought Bertie the bee home with the case of 15 pieces. At home, Granddad and Robin took Bertie out of the bag and put him on the kitchen. The Granddad cast his little span. All of a sudden, Bertie rubbed his large eyes with his hairy legs, twitched his tail, and flapped all four of his wings. Bertie was alive. Bertie asked so many things to Robin. It also so many stories as well. Bertie told that there are literally thousands of different types of bees. But Bertie was a honey bee that works bee. His main job was fly from flower to flower and will crawl inside the use its long tongue to get sweet nectar. Drones bee. It's just another bee. They will look after the queen bee and make sure that she can lay a lot of eggs. Queen bee, usually only one in its hive, is the bigger than the others, will lay eggs, which will hatch into new bees. Bertie told Robin what happened to him one day while he was flying where it might call a free bee to the route that was planned for him that called bee line. He saw a green garden shed. He stopped there for a couple of minutes to check out a very flower in the garden. He sat on the roof to shade and looked around, and he saw many different flowers. It was a mixed garden with both vegetables and flowers. There was a fantastic mixture of of color and many types of flowers. He felt that he was in bee heaven. He dived to get the nectar, gathered it and stuffed into his pollen sac that conveniently fit to his knees that called it as bee knees. While he was busy collect the pollen for the queen bee, he hadn't noticed the time. It was very late and he had to get back immediately, but because he had worked so hard, the hot sun, he really needed a drink. He tried to land on a big stone in the middle of the lake. He slipped and went sliding down into the water. He buzzed and flipped as hard he could. He couldn't get out of the water. The harder he tried, the worse he got. Suddenly, while he struggling to get out, a giant net scooped him up and out of the water. A gardener was helping him to get out from the water. When Bertie got back to the heap, there was a real buzz in the atmosphere. Burly Bee came up and said that they had all been really worried about him. Bertie explained what happened and how he wanted to bring back the most pollen, but it had gone wrong. Barry said that it's important to do our job well, but that a bee is a team. Everybody shared the work equally. Bertie thought about what Barry said and realized how sharing the work is all part of being in a team. Robin found out that Bertie's story was fantastic. He had no idea about the bee society. It's so different from his, and he had no idea how important bees are to him. That's all for me. Thank you.